When justice faces power, the world pays attention. Today, global eyes are on the International Criminal Court, often called the ICC, as it handles proceedings involving former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte. But what is really happening? And why does this matter far beyond politics? Let's break it down clearly and calmly. What is the ICC? The International Criminal Court is based in The Hague in the Netherlands. It was created to investigate and prosecute individuals accused of the most serious crimes under international law, including genocide, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. It does not replace local courts. It steps in when national systems are unwilling or unable to prosecute serious international crimes. Its core principle is simple: no one is above the law. Why is Duterte involved? The case is connected to the anti-drug campaign launched during Duterte's presidency in the Philippines. Human rights groups and ICC prosecutors allege that thousands of deaths occurred during anti-drug operations and that some of these actions may constitute crimes against humanity. Supporters argue that the campaign was necessary to fight crime and restore order. Critics argue that due process and human rights protections were violated. The ICC process now focuses on examining evidence, hearing arguments, and determining whether the case should move forward to trial. It's important to remember, a hearing is not a conviction. It is part of a legal process. Why this is bigger than one person? This moment represents something larger than one leader. It raises global questions. Should international courts have authority over national leaders? Where is the line between strong leadership and human rights violations? What happens when power and accountability collide? This is not just about the Philippines. It is about how the world defines justice in modern times. A deeper reflection. When justice faces power, emotions run high. Some people feel hopeful. Some feel defensive. Some feel angry. Some feel confused. But beyond political opinions, this moment invites us to reflect on something deeper. Leadership carries responsibility. Authority requires accountability. Power without accountability creates fear. Power with accountability creates trust. Whether we are presidents, managers, parents, or community leaders, influence always comes with consequences. Faith and accountability. From a faith and values perspective, justice is not about revenge. It is about truth, fairness, and responsibility. True justice seeks restoration where possible and protection for the vulnerable. In times like this, it is important not to spread hatred or division. Instead, we can pray for wisdom for judges and leaders, pray for healing for victims and families, pray for peace and unity. Stay informed without becoming hostile, because justice should never destroy humanity. It should protect it.